The central government, together with the local government, held a forest and land fire readiness rally at Lanud Roesmin Nurjadin, Pekanbaru, Riau, to ensure government readiness before entering the dry season, which is predicted to occur at the end of March 2026. The government emphasizes the importance of early mitigation, from weather modification to aerial patrols.
Mitigasi dan pencegahan dapat kita lakukan sedini mungkin, termasuk memodifikasi cuaca, waterbombing, heli patrol, mengisi embung-embung sejak sekarang, parit-parit kanal-kanal untuk mempertahankan tinggi air di lahan gambut terutama.
In the event, the government also handed over assistance in the form of forest fire prevention equipment for the provinces of Riau and Jambi, including 1 multi-purpose truck, 2 trail motorcycles, and 100 handy talkies.